Today we are going to see bridge engineering. Bridge engineering is under the civil engineering. Bridge is the element of transportation that controls the capacity. Capacity means the traffic. Highest cost per kilometer. It means the construction. Construction is higher cost. And if the bridge fails, the total transportation system will fail because sometimes bridges connects the roads and cross over the river. Then if the bridge fails, the transportation system will entirely fail. Type of bridges: beam bridge, arch bridge, truss bridge, suspension bridge, cantilever bridge, and cable stayed bridge. We'll see one by one. Beam bridge. Beam bridge, also known as a girder bridge. Girder bridge means larger bridges. In general, construction in industry refers to large bridges as a girders, large beams as a girders, and not all the beams are girders. Only large beams will considered as a girders. The simple structural forms: bridge span supported by abutments or piers at each ends. Beams, mostly simply supported beams by abutments or piers at the end. You can see the abutment and piers here. This is one beam, simply supported beam. No movements are transferred throughout the support, hence their structural type is known as simply supported. In the simply support, the support condition, no movement, the movement is zero. No movements will transfer to the beam. Usually, beam bridges constructed by RCC or steel, or the concrete elements will constructed by reinforced concrete, pre-stressed concrete, or post-tension concrete. Second is arch bridges. Arch bridge means it's the curve shape bridge. Bridges with abutment at the each end shaped as a curve. This abutment is the curve shape. Arch bridges work by transferring the weight of the bridge it's loaded particularly into a horizontal thrust restrained by abutments at each side. Type of arch bridges are hinge-less arch bridges. Hinge means this arch connected by the hinge. Two hinge arch bridges, three hinge arch bridges, and tight arch bridge. These are the types of bridges. Next is cantilever bridge. Cantilever bridge is the supported in only one end. This end is supported, but other total leg is not supported. Only supported in the end. It's called as cantilever support, and the bridge will call as a cantilever bridge. Next is suspension bridge. Suspension bridge is just a type of bridge in which the deck is hung below the suspension cables on vertical suspenders. These are the suspenders. This is the main cable. Here we can see. This is the main cable. These are the suspenders, vertical suspenders. Sorry, vertical suspenders. Then this one is the deck, and This one is a tower. Anchorage is this one. Deck slab is suspended using ropes, chains, or steel cables. The basic structural component of the suspension bridge system including stiffening girders or trusses. The main suspension cables, main towers, and the anchorages and the cables at each of the bridges. Anchorage will be in each end of the bridges. Anchors made by a concrete block. These anchorages made by a concrete blocks. The parts are tower, main tower, and the deck, main cable, and vertical suspenders, and each anchorage at the end. Cable stayed bridge. Cable stayed bridge also similar to suspension bridge, but the form of the suspension is different. For suspension bridge, there are vertical suspenders. Suspenders means main cables or chains, steel cables. But this cable structure, the form is the different. It will connected to main tower to deck. This one suspension bridge, the vertical deck and the main cable. It will connected to main cable and the deck. The fewer cables will be used in cable stayed bridge, and the height of the tower is higher than the suspension bridge. Truss bridge. Truss bridge is a common bridge, very rigid structure that can transfer load from single point to much wider area. The load in the deck will be transferred to the wider area. That means is truss. The connected elements may stress from tension, compression, or sometimes both. If the load changes, the tension and compression will change in the truss bridge. It's all about the type of bridges, classification of bridge. There are many classification in bridge. This is one type of classification, and thank you for watch this video. See you in next video.